When you're in the market for a used semi-commercial embroidery machine, diving into the selection process with ample knowledge and careful consideration is essential. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate the intricacies of buying a pre-owned machine, with a particular focus on popular models such as those in Brothers PR line or Janomi's MB series. These machines offer the capability to handle larger-scale embroidery projects, yet they may carry additional risks when not purchased new. Before anything else, it is crucial to understand the inherent risks involved in purchasing used embroidery machines. Hidden issues, those that are not visible during a cursory inspection, can often lead to frustration and unexpected expenses. For instance, the machine may harbor mechanical problems or have parts that are nearing the end of their useful life. The complexity of models like the Brother PR and Janomi MB can exacerbate these risks, since they contain intricate mechanisms that could be costly to repair or replace. With that in mind, it doesn't mean that you should completely dismiss the idea of buying used. When approached correctly, acquiring a used semi-commercial embroidery machine can be a financially prudent decision. The key is to be well informed about the price you are paying and to commit to comprehensive servicing from a professional and trustworthy dealer immediately after the purchase. These Brother PR and Janomi MB lines have established their presence in the market for some time, contributing to a healthy availability of replacement parts. Having access to such parts ensures that, despite the age of the used embroidery machine, you'll have options when it comes to maintenance and repairs. This availability can be instrumental in extending the machine's operational life and securing a good return on your investment. To embark on this buying journey, your first step should be dedicated research. Aim to acquire extensive knowledge about the model you have in mind, looking into details such as its anticipated durability and average lifespan. The history of the machine is equally important. Find out how frequently it was used, how well it was treated and maintained, and whether there are any existing or recurring issues that have been documented. If given the opportunity, thoroughly inspecting the machine in person before finalizing any purchase is imperative. During the inspection, scrutinize the machine for any visible signs of wear, abuse, or potential damage. Exercising the machine's various functions will allow you to assess whether they are operational and performing up to standards. Don't hesitate to request a demonstration of the machine's embroidery results. This real-world evidence of the machine's capabilities can reassure you of its performance. Ask the seller if they can furnish records of the machine's maintenance history or logs that detail its usage. This documentation can be quite telling about how the machine has been cared for and can give you insight into its continued reliability. Additionally, inquiring about the return policy or any warranties that may accompany the used machine can provide further protection for your investment. Another key factor in ensuring a sound purchase is to seek out user testimonials or reviews. Reaching out to existing owners of the model you're interested in can yield valuable, practical insights. Hear firsthand about their experiences with durability, serviceability, and daily operation. Their anecdotes can spotlight potential strengths and weaknesses you may not have considered and can significantly influence your decision-making process. When the inspection stage arrives, take the time to operate the machine yourself if feasible. Don't shy away from running a few test designs to gauge the smoothness of the embroidery process. Check for consistent thread tension, uninterrupted stitch patterns, and the condition of the machine's hoop system. Each of these factors plays a role in the ultimate embroidery outcome. Furthermore, it's a wise move to have a skilled technician evaluate the machine before you buy it. This expert can conduct a thorough examination and might pinpoint issues that aren't visible to the untrained eye. They can also provide an unbiased opinion on whether the machine is worth the asking price and estimate any impending investment in repairs or maintenance. The negotiation process is a balancing act. While you want to secure the best possible deal, understanding the value of the machine in the context of its age and condition is essential. Approach the negotiation with the mindset of achieving a fair price that reflects both the anticipated longevity of the machine and the expenses you may incur in the near future. Consequently, securing a good deal isn't merely about the lowest price, it's about the value you're getting for the money you spend. A well-maintained and diligently serviced machine may command a higher upfront cost but could save you considerable amounts in the long run. On the contrary, opting for the cheapest available machine might seem like a bargain, but could inadvertently lead to an endless series of repairs and headaches. When the time comes to make your decision, take a moment to weigh all the information you've gathered. Analyze the pros and cons, reflect on the feedback from other users, and consider the machine's current condition against the price. Confirm that you have access to a reputable service technician who is familiar with the brand and model you're purchasing, and that you can afford any immediate service costs. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.